Hello friends, welcome in this video. Today I am going to continue the pairs of confusing words. We will learn confusing words. In the last video, the first video, I told you how costly it can be to make a spelling mistake or mistake in the meaning. If you are confused about the meaning, then you may use it incorrectly. I mean the word or the words you may use incorrectly, and it will be costly for us. The loss is great. So here we go and learn two pairs of words today in this video. I wish to give you some more pairs of words in the coming days. So here we go. The first pair is already or already. Already or already. Already means prepared. So you can see in the example, we were all ready to go on a picnic. We were all ready means we were prepared to go on a picnic. So you can say we were all ready to start our new scheme. Or you can say the soldiers were all ready to wage war. Or you can say the children were all ready to start the race. So, already means prepared. But the next word, already, is previously. It refers to the action which has already taken place in the past. Already means previously. It refers to the action which has already happened in the past. So you can see the meaning here previously, and the meaning will be clear with this example. They had already reached home before the guests came. They had already reached home before the guests came. So you can see that this already is prepared and already is previously. For example, we can take some more examples. I had already taken the exam before joining the job. She had already filled up the form. The servants had already cleaned up the rooms. So you can see that if you are confident, you are sure, if you are sure about the meaning, then using the words become an interesting thing. It gives you pleasure. A little sense of superiority can also come. But it is very, very important to be careful when you are using these pairs of words or any of the words. So let's move to the second pair of the words. All together means in a group. All together in a group. All together means completely, in total. So you can see they stood chatting all together in the street. They stood chatting all together in the street. All together in a group. They stood chatting all together in the street. We staged the dharna all together in front of the parliament. We staged the dharna all together in front of the parliament, or the management members all together decided to increase the pay of the workers. So you can see that if you know the meaning, you can use it confidently. After the first one, let us move to the second one. Altogether, completely, in total, she sold 20 tickets altogether. In total, she sold 20 tickets altogether. If I want to mean it, if I want to mean this word completely, then I can say the author was altogether busy in writing a new novel. The author was altogether busy in writing a new novel. Or you can say the ladies were altogether engaged in making new plans for the function. Or the manager is altogether engrossed, engaged, engrossed, busy. They all have the same meaning. The manager is already engrossed in preparing the next year's economic plans. So you can see that if you know the difference between such confusing words by using them in sentences or by making use of them in your day-to-day life, when you are talking with your friends, you can just make use of these words, or as an additional information you can tell about these words. So making them a part of memory, if you want to make a part of memory, then use it in one way or the other by talking, by writing, by telling about them to somebody or to your friends. See to it that these words come into use several times, at least in the learning stage. Once they get fixed in your memory, then there is no problem after that. So I think this is enough for this video. Thank you very much for your great response. You can make comments in the comment box. You can suggest your own things. You can express your opinions and make this learning more and more interesting. And your suggestions are very precious for us. We can act according to your suggestions and we can make our videos better and better and more informative. So I now say goodbye. Thank you. Take care.